I'm sure you know Theresa loved the Chiefs, without Joe Buck, mountains, and the end of tax season. Did you also know that she watched police shows for the thrill of seeing justice served? She wanted to introduce everyone to the Princess Bride.
Have fun storming the castle.
Was a huge Winona fan, and 80s rock is what calmed her most when she was stuck in an MRI machine. Theresa was also the creator of unique words or phrases. Let's call them T-isms, such as Zeusy Caboosey, Doodah, Chickabee, E. coli, Nimrod, Nermals, Blessings on your head, Goober, and Ya Crazy. Since we were both single, we spent a lot of time running around. We could never believe how long a Walmart trip could turn into. Oh, and dinner time. What do you want to eat? I don't know, what do you want to eat? We always figured it out. All of these ordinary, everyday memories fill me with such gratitude. T-Bird was on this earth for around 20,000 days, and we got to spend most of those days together. Today we celebrate all of Theresa's days.
Look inside of me and see that I am not afraid to walk inside the void like a kid inside a cave, discovering the patterns of my soul and where it's placed. I've been mapping many caverns, but it still feels like a maze. Though I'm made of clay that's warm, blinded by imperfect form, I will trust the artist more. I am creation, both haunted and holy, made in glory. Even the depths of the night cannot blind me when you guide me, creature only. Look inside my heart and find a perilous ravine, carved within the beauty, the darkness in between. Standing in the balance of complete and incomplete, I identify the echo, what is me. Though I'm made of clay that's warm, blinded by imperfect form, I will trust the artist holding me. In a room that's growing dim, illuminated from within, the pole of tensions, empathy. I am creation, both haunted and holy, made in glory. Even the depths of the night cannot blind me when you guide me. Oh, I am creation, both haunted and holy, made in glory. Even the depths of the night cannot blind, 'cause what guides creature only. Creature only. Creature Creature growing through the creature here, trying to see when it's unclear, hidden in the space between the hero and the enemy, early days and sleepless nights, death and resurrection, life. My body is sacred now, sung between the flesh and hope. My dirt transformed within a breath. Before I took a single step, I'm looking forward to the day when life can grow without decay. Humanity is not alone. Jesus Christ sits on the throne. His hidden news expose the mess. Selfish turns to selflessness, haunted by a darker side, transcends to walking in the light. Slowly I'm recovering the beauty of discovery.
To end, here are some slightly revised lyrics from the song Scars in Heaven. I know you're in a place where all your wounds have been erased, and knowing yours are healed will help heal mine. And the thought that makes me smile now, even as the tears fall down, is that the only scars in heaven are on the hands that hold you now. I know the road you walked was anything but easy. You picked up your share of scars along the way. But now you're standing in the sun, you fought your fight and your race is run. Until we meet again, I'll fight this fight and this race I'll run, always remembering you. Theresa was a great big sister and friend. I miss her so much, and it will take a long time to get used to not having her around. I told her not to worry about me because God's got me, and He does. I'll keep taking my grief to Him. I love you, Theresa.